Hi everyone, it is me again. I just got the new version of my PCB board. If you remember my previous video, part 1, I show you the first design. After that I decided to make a second version with some improvements. So today let's take a look. First, over here at the diode pads, I changed the footprint to match the actual diode size. I think it looked much better now. Before the pads were too big, but now everything fits nicely. I also changed the capacitor footprint. This gives more space between the components, so it's much easier to solder. I think the board also look much more cleaner. Over here I added a separate header for uploading the program. Before, it shared the same UART connection as the display, and that caused a problem because you can't use both on same serial channel at the same times. So now I added a DIP switch. This is the DIP switch. You can simply choose whether you want to connect to the display or the programmer. I also added 100 microfarad capacitor connected to the DTR pin. This enabled the auto reset function when uploading code to the Atmega through the CH34 module. So yeah, uploading is much more convenient. On this side, I actually need one more PWM output control, another for motor. So at the first I realized the L29A only support 2 motor channel. Instead of redesigning the whole board from the scratch, I simply added a MOSFET circuit here. It was a much easier solution, but I also found one mistake. The step down converter over here, the converter IC I didn't have a ground connection, so I had to add a small jumper wire to connect it to ground. So yeah, this was a good reminder for me. Sometimes we focus too much on the small details and forget to check the basic things like power and ground connection. So yeah, anyway, that's all for this update. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.